I was dreaming for this. Every single night back when I had to sleep in a whip. Freezing cold, killing gas to get some heat in that bitch. I swear to God, you'll never catch me in the Nissan again. I was fucking dumb and strung out, popping pills, never run out. Selling work for the bread, I turn a half into 1 ounce. With a press machine before press to come out. And I was with a Wasp gang, SWAT came to the trap and we snuck out, we lucked out. I must have had somebody watching over me and showing me the light. Felt like a demon had control of me. My whole demeanor changed up, the street shit had a hold on me. I had to get myself out the mud and where I'm supposed to be.
They take control of me. It all feels just like a dream. You won't get a hold of me. I gotta stick with my team. We all got some tendencies. We won't drown in Hennessy. Everything is make-believe. What's inside is what you need. What's inside is what you need. I can't drown in Hennessy. They take control of me. You won't get a hold of me. We ain't never going down. We already falling once. Sometimes we feel like the only ones. I won't throw the shit away into
I
dust.
swear to God I had a vision. I was filled with ambition and I was running this game. Nobody wanted me winning. Survival of the fittest. Had to grind a lot to get it. I just follow intuition cause I never been into wishing. Nah, I could tell you about this life that I live. You won't believe me. I've been through a lot, still fighting inside of me with these demons. What's it all meaning? Every day I wake up I thank God